Morning, dear students. Today I am going to take English reader for class 7. Today I am going to take new lesson, that is lesson 3, respect the land. So this story is about that we should respect the land and hold it in our mind, the memory of the land as it is when you give it. So in the beginning of this lesson, it is telling that we should respect the land and we should take care of the land. We should keep in our mind of the land when we give it to other person. So here, the great chief in Washington sent word that he wishes to buy a land. Great chief is the head of the Washington, that is in USA. So he wanted to buy a land. He gave a word. The great chief also sent us. Us is referring to the present people who are living on the earth. So he sent a words of friendship and goodwill. Goodwill means good relationship. This is a kind of him, since we know he has little need of our friendship in return. So, because of him in need of friendship, he is sending a good wishes and good wills to us. But we will consider your offer. They accepted. So these people of the earth, they accepted to sell the land. But what we to do? For we know if we do not sell, the white man may come with guns and take our land. See, these white men are the people living in Europe countries, white people. So if we don't sell the land, the white people, they'll come with guns and take away our lands. So that's why they want to sell the land. How can you buy or sell the sky that is above us? The warmth of the land. Warmth means kindness and good wishes, good feelings, friendliness of the land. The idea is strange to us. Horn, unexpected, ajib sa idea. How can you sell, or how can we buy the land or sell the land that is so friendly to us? It is very strange to us. If we do not own means possess. If we do not possess the freshness of the air and the sparkles of the water, sparkles means shining of the water, how can you buy them? No? How can you them? When you cannot own or cannot have the freshness of air and the air and the water that sparkles, how can you buy them? How can you buy the land? Question mark. No? How can you buy them? Every part of the earth is sacred to my people. See? Sacred to my people. Here sacred means pavitra, holy. Holy. The land is very holy. Okay, each part of the earth is very holy. Even be it rock, be it water, be it Greenland, anything, it is very holy. Every shining pine needle, pine tree. Here pine, P-I-N-E, pine is a mountain tree that has like a needle leaf. Every sandy shore, every mist is a drop of water that falls at night because of the temperature. Every mist in the dark woods, every clearing and humming insects is holy, pavitra, sacred in the memory and experience of my people. So people are living, taking care of the land very friendly, very nicely, and they are keeping in memory and experiencing the sacredness of the land. The sap which courses through the tree carries memories of that red man. The shape is the trees, okay, that course through the trees carries memories of the red man. Here the red men are the people of America, those who sing rap dance, okay, those who sing rap songs of rap dance, they are called red Indian or red men. This shining water that moves in the stream and river is not just water but the blood of our ancestors. See, now the writer of the book is saying that shining of the water that is moving through the streams and river is not only the water but blood of our ancestors. Ancestors are the great grandparents, okay, those who have died and gone. So the river water is not simply water but it is the blood of the great grandparents or ancestors. If we sell your land, or if we sell you land, you must remember that it is very sacred, okay. When you if we sell the land, you should remember that the land is very sacred or very holy. So do not destroy it. Take it as it is and keep it as it is. And you must teach your children that it is sacred. First of all, when you take the land from us, teach your children that the land is very sacred, holy, pavitra, and that each ghostly spirit reflects in the clear water of the lake tells of events and memories in the life of my people. Okay, the sacredness of each ghostly spirit is reflected in the clear water, clean water of the stream or the lake tells the even घटना, पहले कितना घटना हुआ है सब कहानी बताया जाता है lake stream, clear water, clear stream or lake, and the memories of the life of my people. The water murmur means speak in low voice. The water speaks in low voice of my father's father. What the water speaks to the fathers. The rivers are our brothers. See, my father's father says that rivers are my brothers. They quench our thirst. When we feel thirsty, they quench our thirst. प्यास को पूरा करता है. प्यास, पानी प्यास. When we feel thirsty, we drink water and it quenches our thirst. That is river. Rivers are our brother. They quench our thirst. The river carry our canoes. Canoes means these boats are called canoes. Okay, sharp, narrow boat. Canoes and feed our children. It carry goods and feed our children. If we sell our land, you must remember, याद रखना, अगर हम लोग बिक्री करता है हम लोग का जमीन को, तो याद रखना और याद रखना और सिखा देना अपना बच्चों को, you would give my brothers. जितना तुम प्यार करता है, जितना तुम प्यार देगा मेरा भाई को, उतना ही प्यार देना है अपना जमीन को, तब ले जाएगा. So the air is precious to the red man, for the people of USA, for all things share the same breath. Even the red man's people, animals, everything they share, birds, everything they share the same breath. The trees, the men, they all share the same breath. Air, that is the air. The air shares its spirit with all life in it supports. All the life it supports. Air shares the spirit. Spirit of animals, spirit of human beings, spirit of plants, spirit of water animals, everything air shares with all life it supports. the wind that gave our grandfather the first breath also receive his last sight, and the wind must also give our children the spirit of life. So the spirit of life, the grandfathers got the first breath of breath, also received the last sight of the nature land, and the wind must also give our children the same spirit that ancestors gave to the nature or the land. And if we sell you our land, you must keep it apart and sacred. Keep it apart and sacred. Don't destroy the land as a place where even the white man can go to take the wind that is sweetened by the meadows flowers. So white men, who are those white men? People of Europe. People of Europe can go to the meadows of the land, of the fresh land that is full of flowers, and enjoy the sweet wind that is there in the land. So till here I stop, and we shall continue the remaining parts in the next class. Thank you.